Hey there, Andy here, so nice to see you again. Hopefully you had a nice week. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a homemade pumpkin pie spice from the ingredients that you already have at your home. I am pretty sure that it's possible also to buy the mixture of the spices from the store, but why to waste any resources when you can just combine the ingredients that you have at your home and therefore create the best pumpkin pie spice. For today's video, I will be mixing together 5 different types of spices, namely ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, ground cloves, and last but not least, ground allspice. As mentioned, I will be mixing them all together in one bowl, and later I will be storing them in my cabinet. You can do this also at your home, and later use the mixture to enhance the flavor of your favorite cheesecake, pie, or just add it to the latte and have pumpkin spice latte at your own home. Pumpkin spice is a symbol and smell of autumn and adds flavor to all kinds of cookies, pies, muffins, cakes, lattes, and whatever your heart desires. This recipe is one of the simplest available, and the whole process will not take more than 5 minutes. I start by whisking the 45 grams of ground cinnamon in a larger bowl, which I am going to use for the rest of the recipe. I make sure to whisk any bigger chunks and crush them into smaller pieces. Next, I add 10 grams of ground ginger and 10 grams of ground nutmeg, and I whisk it again. I continue by adding 5 grams of ground cloves and in the end 5 grams of allspice, mix everything, and we're done! The order is not essential here, you can mix them as you want. I just started with the spice that had the highest amount and continued to the lowest amount. Once all the spices are combined, you can use a small spoon to transfer it to a jar or container and store it in a dry and airtight place in your kitchen cabinet at room temperature, just like any other spice. At the end of the day, it is a mixture of them and it doesn't require any special handling. Also, be aware the longer time it stays in your kitchen, the less significant flavor it will have. Spices tend to weaken their aroma over time. Enjoy your favorite dessert or a topping with the best autumn spice. Thank you for watching my video. Let me know in the comment sections down below if you tried it in any of your kitchen creations. Until the next time!